speaking of the headphone thing, in conjunction with the rumored Apple over-ear headphone, they also removed all third-party headphones from the Apple Store itself. Apple.com, the Apple Store, I presume the physical Apple Store also. So this means they kicked out the likes of Logitech, Bose, Ultimate Ears, Sonos, all the audio products that are not Apple or Beats branded. Of course, Apple owns Beats, as you're well aware. Mm-hmm. So that's a big change. They're not going to be selling or supporting these third-party options anymore. That was actually one of the cool things about the physical Apple Store is you could see the wide variety of accessories from other companies too. Mm-hmm. But I guess Apple figures, why bother? We feel like we have enough options now with the Beats brand, with the their own brand, the AirPods brand. Presumably these will be called AirPods Studio or something like this. I've seen a couple of cool ideas as well around how these might operate. Be able to tell based on the relationship to your phone, the left and right ear, so you won't have to look at the indicator. You can place them either way on your head. That's a rumor at the moment as well for the next one. But anyways, in preparation of this upcoming AirPods Studio or whatever it's going to be called, they're getting rid of everything else. They don't want you to be confused. It's Beats or it's Apple products if you want to buy it from Apple directly and it's an audio product. And also they're putting out a new HomePod, so that must be the reason they get rid of the Sonos stuff as well. They say, no, you must have a HomePod. You must have these studio headphones as well. The rumor, by the way, $399. That's going to be an expensive headphone for Apple. Huh. But if you think about it, you got the price of the AirPods, the price of the AirPods Pro. You're already up there,
right?
So these AirPods Studio over ear, they kind of got to be $399, don't they? Though that's a really expensive headphone. Mm-hmm. But they're going up against the likes of the Sony product, the Bose product. People have been paying that in the past.
Yeah, they have a track record.
So will there be, I wonder how intimate their relationship is with Beats, because obviously Beats been selling over-ear headphones for 1 billion years now. I wonder how much they share components, or if it's a completely from the ground up type of headphone.
Yeah, kind of left alone.
I also just sort of wonder what happens to Beats long term here, because all the cool features are coming to the Apple products. Like I recently tested out the spatial audio. If they bring that spatial audio to these, that's a big deal to the over ears here, because it was already on the AirPods Pro. Quite an experience. Keep an eye out for the video. Video comes out. Well, go watch it right now, actually.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, because, at the time you're watching this, go watch the spatial audio video on Unbox Therapy. What they're doing, even with the earbuds, is insane for watching movie-style content. If they bring that to the over-ear with the bigger drivers, which I presume they'll do, who's going to buy Beats?
Yeah, and Apple's branding is always Apple. It's never Apple and Beats, right? It just sounds weird. So most likely they're going to gobble them up.
Just quit the Beats thing? Yeah. I don't know. It'll be interesting to see how it maps out. I don't know if maybe the success of AirPods almost surprised them too, where they thought, hey, Beats is this really strong brand. Or maybe they always imagined that Beats would be a temporary holdover type of thing until they figured out headphones.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.